What's going on, guys? Welcome to the channel. My name is Tommy McGrath. For those who are new and for those who are returning, welcome back. We're gonna keep this short and simple. We're gonna do some crappie today. It's springtime. The bite is amazing for basically everything across the board, and I have not done crappie yet, and I want to give it a tree out. So I think today's gonna be really good. I haven't done them, so I don't know how the bite's gonna be, but I just have that feeling that it's going to be amazing. I feel like we're gonna catch a lot of crappies. So what we're gonna do, we got the rods rigged up. I'll go over that once we get out in the boat. All right, we had to wait out this rain. It's about 3 o'clock right now. It's been raining all damn day, but luckily there's no wind. It's actually really nice out right now. We gotta go to the local bait shop. We're gonna grab some crappie minnows, and we already get the floats hooked up. And like I said, I'll go over the rods once we get out there. So I'm feeling good, guys. I don't know, for some reason, I just feel like we're gonna absolutely slap them. I don't know why. I just feel like the bite is going to be on, but you also never know. I don't wanna get cocky, so I'm gonna shut my mouth. I will see you guys once we get there. All right, guys, it's 3:45. The rain just stopped. We just picked up some bait. We got 3 scoops, and she gave us an extra scoop because we've been coming in here for legit the last 2 weeks. So now we probably have close to like 8 dozen crappie minnows in that bucket. We are loaded with bait. Believe it or not, me and P were just talking about this, but P has actually never gone for strictly just crappie, like targeting crappie. So this will actually be a first for him. He's caught some pretty big ones while bass fishing. I think his PB is like probably 15 inches, 15 and a half inches. P, what do you got to say?
Super excited to get out there. My dad is actually a huge crappie fisherman. He actually kind of strictly targets those for the most part outside of bass and stuff like that. So super excited to get out there and show him how it's done. So.
All right, guys, Helix 10, Helix 9, Solix 12. Don't need any of them today for what we're doing. I'm just gonna go out there, risk it. No electronics, we don't need it. Boat's fully charged, but irrelevant today. All right, so for the first rod, we got a Legend Elite panfish. This is a 6'4", light, extra fast. I'm gonna let P start with this. What we got on is 4-pound line, slip bobber knot right there. Come down, just a small slip bobber, pink and white jig. And then we have a absolute shit ton of those crappie minnows. The rod I'll be starting with, St. Croix panfish rod, 8-foot light, moderate to fast action. Not the right reel on here, but same thing, 4-pound line. A little bit of a bigger bobber, but it's still a small bobber. And then I have a different color jig on just to try something different. A little bit bigger, might have to downsize, but for right now, this will do the trick. So all we're doing, grab yourself a crappie minnow. We're gonna take the jig and go right through the bottom of the mouth, up to the top, just like that. I'm set about 2.5, 3 feet. And we're gonna whip it out there. Smooth, easy cast. Like I said, no electronics, no Mega Live, nothing. This is a spot I've actually never crappie fished before. We're gonna give this a tree out. Looks pretty good. And then I have some other spots I wanna try. There you go, it's perfect. Last time in this spot, you had no e-cig. Oh, I'm on. All right, I'm on. And of course, it's a largemouth bass. Oh, nice, it came off. Oh shit, I'm on, I didn't even know it. Dude, another largemouth. We might have to go to that other spot, bud. There you go. Nice hook set. Yeah, this could be a crop. Is it? Crappie? It's a no, it's a crappie. Nice job. First one on the board. Easy.
First one of the day.
That's your first ever crappie targeting crappie.
Yeah.
Let's go. My first crappie of the day. Let's go, number 2. A little bit too small to keep though. I know most people would be like, you're an idiot. All right, I'm gonna guess this one's like 9 too. Yeah, right on the dot at 9. So we're gonna let this one go too. Not a lot of meat in that guy to keep. That's not a bad one. 10.
You want to release on it?
No, it's a nice crop.
It is?
Yeah, really nice one. Oh, dude. Pete, you're ruining my shot with your ass crack.
Nice.
Best one of the day so far. Nice crappie. All right, biggest so far is 11. Pretty cool fish though. Let's go. Decent. All right, guys, another one. Those pretty cool colors. Crappie on me, I think. Literally right here, a nice one too. Crappie. Light hook says Bud, light hook says. All right, guys, another in the box. Another decent one going in. All right, guys, I'm slamming them. I think I have like 5 or 6 crappie. No. Down a little. Down a little. Set it. Crop. Is a crappie. All right, nice easy swing in the boat. That's a keeper. Oh god, that's a good one.
Good for the day. Let's go.
Yeah, it's okay, Tommy. You can fillet them all. I'll just sit there. That's sick. Get it in. Oh. Just advertising for the whole lake. Nice fish. All right, Pistol P with so far the biggest of the day. He didn't believe in this spot. Tell him, P.
Damn, Tommy, you were right.
There's no crappies here at all. Yeah, 11. All right, so that's tied. Another keeper though. Good one. What is it? Crop? Crappie. Oh, another nice eater. Another one for the pan, bud. Mom's gonna be proud of us. Another one in the box. Another one on the board. Another one on the board. Almost fell over.
You want one of me?
Oh.
Oh, Tommy. Were you looking at my Tommy?
Yeah, you got hit too.
Another top?
Yeah. It's actually a nice one. I'm gonna toss this one on the thing. No, on the. I'm just gonna double check, make sure it's at least 10. All right, P's back in the trailer down. Pretty good day. Probably finished with about 30, 35 crappie. I missed a bunch on camera as well. I don't know why, but I'm having so many damn GoPro problems. It's unreal. It's like I'll put a new battery in, but then somehow like the GoPro does not turn on. Either way, good day. So we're gonna take these crappies back, fillet them up, and probably do at least a little bit, maybe a little bit tonight, and then we'll probably finish a crappie tacos tomorrow. I'm watching P back in this trailer, and we might be here for the next half hour. Alright guys, we have a lot of crappies to fillet. Forgot my fillet knife, so using this kitchen knife. Justin's about to be here. We're about to go out walleye fishing, but I gotta get these done before we head out.
Let me see, these are not to eat crappies. Damn, they're pretty nice ones.
You made it.
That's how
I'm gonna be guiding 2 idiots today. The goal is, Justin has not been here in 2 years, so hopefully we can get him on a 5-pound Youndi.
I'm just gonna try to catch some big smallies, maybe a muskie if I'm seeing them, or if I just smack a lot of smallmouth and want to switch it up. So we'll see how it goes.
Oh yeah, dude, that's a tank.
That's a fatty. Holy shit.
That's gonna go high 4. Wow, not as big as I thought. 4 1/4 on the dot, 4 pounds 4 ounces. That looks a lot bigger.
Yeah, it's just fat. Alright guys, nice one. Tommy just weighed it, 4.25. Beautiful fish. Looked a lot fatter than the weight. We were kind of surprised. It's just super wide. But it's my biggest so far of the trip. Beautiful.
First one of the day. Look at it, it's even standing up all pretty for me. Awesome fish. Took me a while to get it. Wind's kind of blowing. Right when the wind calmed down, that's when I got the bite. So it was nice. He's lost it.
Alright guys, nice fish. Going back. Oh my god. Pretty good bite so far. Probably like 6 or 7 smallmouth. Biggest is 4.25. And then we've caught some other 4s as well. So, alright. Crappies, milk, Cajun battering. Got the taco bar, tortillas, cheese, jalapenos, more jalapenos.
And me.
Pee-Pee's making cheese dogs. You know, like fish.
Fresh cheese.
Chicago hot dogs while the Chicago Cubs are playing. While wearing a Chicago Cubs hat.
Yeah.
Crappie tacos, cheese, breaded crappie, jalapenos. Yum yum sauce. Review.
Delicious.
Pete, what'd you think?
Fantastic.
Taco number 2. Toasted tortilla. Premium Northwoods crappie. Just swimming. A little cheese. Fresh jalapenos. Do you know sign language?
Nope.
Yeah, look, I do. Alright guys, we got the boat down at the pier. Boated out for some shore lunch. And these are some of the best crappie tacos. I thought the last ones were. The fried, normally I don't like fried. These are absolutely unreal. Alright guys, that'll be it for the crappie catch and cook. We're going to be going northern pike fishing now. Throwing maps over the weeds. We might film a video, we might just go fish. Hope you guys enjoyed it. That'll be it for today's video. Remember to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. See you guys next time.